What's up, Facebook? It's Big John hollering at you from Delta Camshaft in Tacoma, Washington. I got a PM from a friend of mine. I used to sponsor his race car when he's running a single cam Honda. Now he's running a dual cam, big dollar stuff, super fast little CRX. And he had a problem with this camshaft, and they're getting ready. They are all loaded up, ready to go to World Cup finals. Not this weekend, but next weekend. And both of his camshafts had damage that wouldn't allow them to make the show. And he called the manufacturer, and these are huge custom parts, so they do not have another spare set on the shelf, so he'd be able to not make the show. So he called me, and I said, let's go, let's do this. So he sent them next day air to me, and let's switch. You can see the damage on the lobe. Got burned up there. Then on the other cam, has a couple lobes that are burned up. That one and this one down here. So what we're going to do, because a camshaft profile is a mathematical equation, it cannot be protected. We are going to set up the machine, which Dylan is doing right now. Dylan is our custom grinder. He's going to set up the machine. We are going to set up the machine and make tooling to duplicate these camshafts. Then we're going to grind and repair these camshafts and next day air them out. They probably won't get out today because priority has to leave early. So, but they'll probably ship out tomorrow. So tomorrow is Friday. He'll probably get them Monday. Then there'll be dyno tuning probably Tuesday or Wednesday, and then they'll be off to Maryland for World Cup finals. It's just one of the services that we're able to do is next day turnaround stuff like this for this high priority, high dollar race car stuff like that. We're very proud of our work and how quick our turnaround is to help these guys make the show when it really counts. Anyway, good luck to you, Andrew.